Now, in this episode, we're going to discuss about JavaScript placement. You can place any number of scripts in an HTML document. You can so different scripts with different functions, with different inputs and outputs functionalities. You can create different scripts and place them in numbers in different they can be placed in the body or in the header section of an HTML page, or you can even put on the both. You can place on the header and you can place on the body. Still, when you put them on both, they won't have any effect. They won't have any negative effect on the execution. Now, if you want to have a script run on some events, such as when a user clicks somewhere, then you will place the script in the header as follows. This is the header. Now you can see the all encrypt, how the HTML is wrapped. So we're going to import the script on the header section. So this is the header section. You can see this one is the header section. So you're going to place your script on the header section. You have the opening tags and the closing tags. So you're going to place your functional. You're going to call the function that you're going to be calling. You're going to place it on the header. For instance, this is a function. The function. This is the first function. So you're going to call the method inside the header section. You can see the method, how it is called. No, this is just for elaboration. We're going to discuss further on how you run JavaScript functions. JavaScript in body. If you need to run as the page loads, so that the script generates content in the page, then the script goes in the body portion of the document. You see, this one is the body. We had the previous one that we had for the header. Now this one is the tags for the body. You can place the script on the body section, or mostly if you want to run the page so that the script generates the content. For instance, you're preparing a big page and you want the data to be loading as you prepare or as it loads. So for the efficiency of the system, you can place the script on the body tags. External JavaScript. This is when some code is used in many different web pages. I have the file extension JavaScript. To use an external script, put the name of the script file in the source attribute of the script tag. Placing the script in the external files has some advantages. Separates HTML and code. Makes the JavaScript easier to read and maintain. Cached JavaScript files can speed up pages loads. Yeah, just an example of how to run external JavaScript. This is an example of the script, how you're going to run your script. To use an external script, put the name of the script file in the source attribute of the script. For instance, the source is going to be on the opening tag of the script. So the initials for source is src, attribute of the script. You're going to place it on the opening tags of the script tag. Now this one is going to import the external JavaScript template. Now in that, you're going to place it in different. You're going to put they're going to put the language and the type. So this one is the language that you're using, and it's going to you're going to have a language and you're going to have the source code. The source is going to call the source where you've put your source, where you've script externally. That is where your code will be called from. Rather, the functions that you want to execute will be called from the external template. They'll be placed on the header tag. For instance, another example is when you want to execute a command or a function on the button. So the type of the command is a button. So you're going to declare the type of the command as a button, and the button is going to the behavior of the button can be either on click or even on mouse move. So on click, the function that is going to execute is the function that you're going to place on the script. Moving on the last bit of this, we're going to see the whole image. This is the script of the image, how the data is going to look. But right alone, we're going to discuss we're going to run the functions on the different IDE that you're going to be using. So we look forward to that. I'll see you in the next episode.